I'm going to show you what it's like to take a 51-year-old motorcycle out for a spin. Not much to it. Gas is on. Power on. Now let's go for a spin. Here we go. So I'm riding a 69 Honda CB175 right here. These bikes make 20 horsepower, all at 10,000 RPM. So as you can see at the low RPMs, there's not much there. So to have any fun with it, you really have to ring it out. It's scary at first. You think it's going to blow up, but it's a Honda. They never blow up. These little Hondas are not great on the highway. They are highway legal, but these back twisty roads, I'm on Mulholland Drive right now, and it's the perfect road for this bike. Once you know the limitations of your vintage motorcycle, suspension, brakes, tires, they're all just not as good as modern bikes. Doesn't mean you can't have fun. I've had this bike 17 years and it still puts a smile on my face. I think I've put almost 8,000 miles on this thing. Don't plan on stopping riding either. It's a fun little bike. Alright, I'm pulling over right here.